Part of having a YouTube channel is making sure that you have social media channels that go along with your YouTube channel. So right now I don't actually have a page for my YouTube channel. So I've taken this old page and I've updated it to match my channel. I've got a new banner and I've got a new picture, but what I don't have is the name. So I looked in Facebook's help and it's actually outdated. They're in the middle of making some updates to their documentation and currently it does not match what you would need to do to actually change the name. So this is sort of an updated guide that I've made for you for 2020 and going forward. When you're on your main page, as I am right now, click About right here. And then right here you can see all your About information and you can change the information here. So hit Edit under your name and I'm going to change it to The Curious Coder. And I'm going to hit Continue. Now, I'm going to hit Request Change. Facebook moderators actually have to check and make sure that this is a legitimate change, that I'm not trying to copy another business or that I'm trying to do something malicious. And they may actually turn you down. That doesn't mean you did anything wrong. Just request the change again or get in contact with support if they don't accept it. I've heard many cases where someone's page name has been denied and they've requested it again and it's been approved. So don't be downtrodden, I guess, if Facebook doesn't really want to accept your change. So I'm going to click Request Change and I'm going to wait for that to go through. And as Facebook says, it can take a couple of days. I just wanted to show you how to do that really quick because I had a really hard time getting the information that I need to figure that out. As you can see, Facebook was actually pretty quick, so that's amazing. They've done it in seconds instead of a matter of days. I hope this was helpful. It's kind of a difficult process given the tutorials that Facebook actually currently has out. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you'd like to watch more tutorials like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And thank you for watching.